everyone. I'm Dawn Kramer. I am a mother of 2 daughters, a stepmom of 1 daughter, and a grandmother of an almost 2-year-old granddaughter. I live in the Pocono area of Pennsylvania. Right now we're having very, very cold weather, which I can't wait till it warms up again. My experience with learning research was limited. Basically through college I had to research information for paper and projects, so I just pretty much went on the internet and looked for my information, and a lot of times I was able to find it, and other times it was frustrating. I didn't really enjoy research back then. However, today I enjoy researching things that are of interest to me, such as Disney or the Philadelphia Eagles, and I realized that if you have a topic you enjoy, researching can be fun. And research is also very helpful, and as social workers I feel it's going to be a big part of what we do down the line for certain practices that or agencies that we might work for. I'm really looking forward to learning Excel. Haven't really learned much about it in the past, so I'm glad that this class has us use Excel. And I'm also looking forward to actually learning social work research, how to do assessments, program evaluations, and practice evaluations. I am anxious and a little bit scared of this class because as an undergraduate I did not do well in statistics. So I'm hoping as we move forward I will understand and retain the information, and I won't struggle too much along the way. And maybe some of my fellow classmates have some of the same anxiety or fears that I do, and we can get through this all together. I look forward to meeting each and every one of you, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.